So let us discuss about why your PC is usually very slow. To some of us, your problem could be that you just bought the system not quite long and you started seeing cases of slow performance. And to another person could be that you just reloaded the system and everything still boils back to the same thing. The system is still getting even slower. And I would like you to stay till the end of this video by watching out for subsequent video and hit on the subscribe button. So the first I have on my list is you need to restart your PC. If your PC is very slow, this could be a reason why you need to restart your PC. If I ask some of you when last did you restarted your system, you might not even remember. So you've constantly been hibernating your system. As good as hibernating system, as good as it is not just the best way. You constantly need to refresh and you constantly need to reboot your system to refresh it back to its normal state. So I would like you to see hibernating system as you taking a nap and not a full rest. So hibernating system constantly for about 3 to 5, 6 days could possibly slow down the performance of your PC. So that could be one of the issues that you might be facing. So you need to constantly restart your PC whenever you notice that your PC is slow. So, and if you see that it is still getting even worse, then you will have to review the second that I have on my list here, which is the HDD memory may be full. The HDD or your hard drive might be full. 85% of full storage device might lead to the slow performance of your PC. I could remember when a friend of mine brought the system to me and asked, I don't know what is wrong with my system. It is not saving this document. Just as little as 10 kilobytes worth of storage that is needed to be saved was not actually saving on the hard drive. So when I tried to check for the problem, I noticed that the hard drive is about 85% full. So what I told the person is try to reduce or try to delete some of the files that you don't need, or try to back up some of your essential files. This is the reason why the document is really not saving, because your storage device is full. So one of the reasons why your PC might be very slow could be traceable to your hard drive if your hard drive is full or maxed out. So another reason why your system might be very slow is the issue of installing more than one third-party antivirus software solution in your system. So we have what we call the system kernel. The system kernel is where all your programs, your software are installed in. So in the system kernel, when you install the first software antivirus software solution, it is installed in the system kernel. When you install the second one, it still installs itself in the same system kernel. So once the first antivirus software solution detects a threat, it quarantines it. The moment the second one detects the same threat, it takes it and re-quarantines it. So there is a usual struggle, the bouncing of threat from one software antivirus solution into the second one. So automatically this struggle slows down the performance of your PC. So I indulge you whenever you're installing any third-party software antivirus solution, ensure that you install just one, as this would help you boost the performance of your PC. So we have the software and the hardware incompatibility. So I would like you to note from this point that we have systems that are designed for higher performance tasks, and we have systems that are designed for lower performance tasks. If you install a program that is meant for higher performance tasks, if you should install it in a lower performance task, the system is really going to fumble. It's really not going to run effectively on it, and this could lead to the slow performance of PC. You need to note that. And another thing I would like you to put into consideration is we have the newest Windows version, that is the Windows 11. Installing Windows 11 in an old generation of system, let's say a dual core system of a old generation, might not take it. The system is really going to form, it's really not going to run effectively, because there might be software and hardware incompatibility. That's just what it is. So it might not really work effectively on it. So there are a whole lot of things you really need to put into consideration before you manage your software and your hardware.